voulions vraiment montrer notre attachement aux valeurs, aux idéaux de démocratie, de fraternité, d'égalité.
It's a video, guys.
There's all this ornament which I just completely love.
And she's imagining how the sound is resonating.
Our ability as architects is to have this power of imagination.
On l'avait même surnommé plus tard le Ravel américain ou l'ambassadeur des musiciens américains en France.
Those few minutes can really last in a lifelong memory.
The old trees there